How to view and download Wells Fargo statement. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can view and download Wells Fargo statements. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to open up the Wells Fargo application. Make sure to sign in into your account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the bottom right corner, head over to your menu section, tap on menu. After that, you'll be taken here. There is an options for statements and documents. So tap on statements and documents. Again, tap on the first option, that is statements and documents. Now under statements and documents, head over to first option, that is statements and disclosures. Under that, tap on the select account drop down, select your preferred account, and again under that you have to select the time period. So select your time period. Just below that there are some documents where you can view your statements. So select the statements from there, and after you tap on one of that, it will start to download in your device. And once the download is complete, you can simply tap on the file and view your statements on Wells Fargo. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.